Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be pretty much doing an all powder look because I just got another one of these babies. It's the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation by MAC. Everybody knows it. You know what it looks like. Now I have a very special announcement to make. This is my first collab 2023, and I do want to thank Fytoo Eyeglasses for working with me. And right now I do have on one of 3 pairs of glasses that they sent me. These are the ones in Lerber. These are the glasses Elmer, and these are the final pair, and these are going to be Ramsey. When shopping for eyeglasses online, one important aspect to consider is the lens index. Fytoo's website offers lens index based on the prescription information you fill in, ensuring a seamless and worry-free experience. No prior knowledge of lenses is necessary, as the website guides you through the selection process. Lens index refers to the measurement of a lens's thickness. Lens indices range from 1.5, which is the thinnest and lightest lens, to 1.74, which is the thickest and strongest lens. Thinner lenses are typically more lightweight and provide a more cosmetically appealing appearance. However, they also tend to be a little more expensive. On the other hand, lenses with a lower index are thicker and more affordable, but they may not look as sleek and can be heavier. It's important to select the right lens based on your prescription, as this will greatly impact the visual quality and comfort of your glasses. Don't forget to use the code TESSA12 to get 12% off your order. And thank you to Fytoo for working with me on this portion of today's video. So this might be a little complicated for me because normally I'm in the bathroom, I'm like this in the mirror, but we're gonna sit here and we're gonna try to do it from the table. And I'm just gonna show you the way that I do my makeup when I wear my glasses, which is going to be probably 98% of the time. And I'm just so curious, how does everybody else do their makeup when they wear glasses? Are you like me, just constantly taking them on and off? Or do you just need your glasses just to kind of simply see what you're doing, like the road? I need mine. Like I need mine to like actually see. So I'm gonna show you guys just my process, because I'm probably gonna be taking my glasses on and off to, you know, to actually see what I'm doing. So just sit back, relax, put on another makeup video, or do whatever you gotta do. Don't put on another makeup video because I need you to pay attention to this one, what I'm doing. So I don't know what you gotta do. Just get comfortable, sit back, and watch. So of course I'm not gonna put on a primer when I do this. So, but you know what I think I might do today is we might use this sponge. I have actually been using a makeup brush to put this on, but I think I'm gonna go in with this because it comes with it pretty much. So let's go ahead. I am already, look at that coverage. Like, do you see? I'm NW43 in case anyone wants to know. We have our sunscreen on. We have all of our lotions and everything on. So we are good to go. I mainly just do this when I'm going somewhere and I just need to kind of put a little something on, you know, because I don't want to wear foundation all the time. Doing that's a process. And I'm just trying to make it easier and get myself into the habit of putting on makeup. And of course, we're gonna go down the neck with it. We're gonna move this out the way. And I have this little pesky little pimple that won't leave me alone. And I do have a question. Does anybody, like, when they're doing this, does anybody put on concealer? Because I was wondering, do people do like a liquid concealer? Not, well, I mean, all concealers are pretty much liquid, but does anybody do concealer when they're doing like a powder foundation? Because I know I'm not. So I don't know, I'm curious. Is that one thing I need to be doing or what? Yes, it's giving me coverage. It's giving me exactly what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna go in with some bronzer and we're gonna use the usual. So now I'm going to take the LA Colors blush in Berry Plum, and we're gonna put that on. I always dust it off on my hand first because I don't want to go in with a whole bunch. And we're gonna go up just a little bit. Oh, how nice that looks. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. So pretty. And I really, oh my gosh. Thank you, LA Colors. Thank you. So now I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm just gonna go in with the Essence Lash Princess. Once again, I'm gonna take my glasses off. So I think just to add a little pizzazz, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brown Kohl Pencil. So where's my sharpener? Don't know. So we're just gonna go ahead and line the bottom. One thing I love is a good dark waterline. We'll go ahead today and we will use the Milani Make It Last. So I got this new, the ColourPop lippy stick, I think in Brinks. It's very pink. Let's see. And if anything, I'm taking this off if I don't like how it looks. I feel like maybe a nice cute lip gloss over top. It's not bad. And it's just a little pop of color. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look, and it's pretty much a really quick process. Put on powder foundation, I put on some blush, put on some bronzer, sorry. Put on that, just 3 simple steps. Did the eyebrows off camera, but it's really quick, really easy if you wear glasses or if you're just not really a whole beat your face kind of person. I think doing something like this would be really easy and really quick for you to do. So don't forget once again to subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Are y'all more of a foundation powder or a liquid foundation type person? And I will see you guys in the next video, and I will also put some other videos somewhere on the screen so you guys can just go ahead and just binge into everything else that I have made, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.